How to create aggressive shakes on CapCut. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step that how you can add aggressive shakes on CapCut. So let's dive in. First, open your CapCut app, and here you can see I have this project that I'm working on. You can just open any project that you want to work on and put aggressive shakes on. So now you can see on this project on the bottom I have this menu, and on the menu I have this effects option. Click it. And now you simply have to choose this video effects option, and now you can just search for the shake over here. In this menu you can just use the search bar, or you can just go over here and just choose the effects over here and just find the shake option. Like over here I have this shake effect, but if you want to specifically search for it, just click the search bar and search for shake, and then click search over here, and it's going to bring you to this page. Now choose the shake that you like and feel is more aggressive. Like I want to choose this one, and once you do so you can see it has added this aggressive shake to my video. And that's how you add aggressive shake on CapCut. I hope you found the process easy and liked my video, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.